Have you ever wondered why some boutique dresses look so expensive? The secret isn't the price tag. It is the hidden pattern magic in the neckline and these elegant sleeves. Today, I am revealing the story behind this high-end design. I will show you how to turn a simple base into this masterpiece. Stay with me until the end. These pleat secrets will change how you look at pattern making. Let's begin. Now, we must add a new piece of paper underneath this section. This is where we draft the final details for the neckline pleats. Be very precise with the spacing between each pleat. This extra paper allows us to create that beautiful, voluminous fold you see in the design. Take your time to align it perfectly. Always remember to mark the important details on each pattern piece. This includes the center front line and the side seam. You must also show the correct grain line for the fabric. Please do not forget the balance points and the numbering for every part. These marks are essential for a professional finish. This dart will not be closed or sewn. Instead, we use the open space to insert elastic and create these beautiful waist gathers. As you can see, I added 1 centimeter to this area for extra comfort. If you want less gathering, you can reduce this 1 centimeter from the sides. Just remember that the 1 centimeter added here must also be added to the skirt side seam. The distance between these two sections can be between 2 to 5 centimeters. For this design, I am choosing 5 centimeters. Remember, the larger this amount, the more flare the skirt will have. This gives you the freedom to choose how wide or narrow you want the hem to be. It is all about your personal style. In the next step, I'm adding the final length to our pattern. Do not forget to check the description box for the specific length measurements. As always, I have placed all the important and necessary sizes there for you. This ensures your dress fits perfectly for your height. None of the darts on the back pattern will be closed or sewn. We use this open space to create the waist gathers with elastic. This matches the front pattern perfectly. It ensures the dress is comfortable and has a beautiful, consistent look all around the waistline. For this design, we will not use a zipper. Instead, we create a small opening at the back neckline. We use the center back line and the neck curve to draft this section. This space is perfect for adding a dainty button and a loop closure. It keeps the back of the dress looking clean and elegant. As always, follow my previous sleeve tutorial. First, check the armhole of the dress and the sleeve crown together. You should add 2 to 3 centimeters to the crown height. The exact amount depends on the fabric you choose for this model. After adjusting this, you can finish drafting your sleeve. This ensures the shoulder area looks professional and perfectly fitted. Now you can add 4 to 7 centimeters to each side of the sleeve cuff. Or you can draw the sleeve side seam as a straight line and use that space for gathering. I am doing it this way now. But if you want a more beautiful and voluminous puff, add 6 to 7 centimeters to each side. This will make the cuff area look fuller and more elegant. It truly gives the dress a luxurious high-end finish. For the belt, consider a length between 80 to 100 centimeters. The width should be between 8 to 10 centimeters. You must cut this pattern once on a folded edge of the fabric. This ensures the belt is seamless and strong. It will add the perfect finishing touch to your dress. Our elegant boutique dress pattern is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this journey of transforming a simple base into this masterpiece. If you want access to exclusive patterns and deeper tailoring secrets, consider joining our channel membership. Your support helps me create more professional content for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I can't wait to see your creations. See you in the next tutorial. I am Ladybird Designer.